how you can add Spotify link to your Facebook profile. Now let's start. First things first, just open up your Spotify. Now after you've opened Spotify, tap on your profile icon on the top left. And after you tap on it, you will be able to just see your profile, tap on your name. And after you do that, this page should open up with your name and your profile picture. Now after you do that, tap on the share button right here in the middle, and after you do that, just scroll up and copy the link. Now after you've copied the link, all you need to do is go to Facebook. Now before I show you what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now open your Facebook, and after you've opened up your Facebook, go to your menu section and open your profile. And on your profile, tap on edit profile, and after you've tapped on edit profile, scroll down till you see the links. Now tap on add, and after you tap on add, you will see the option to add social links. Tap on add social links and tap on platform. Now here you can select Spotify if you find it, and after you tap on Spotify, you can just directly add your username to, or the other way is you can add a social link. You can just add it like this and save it, or you can just tap on add website and tap the website's address like this. Now that's one way you can add it. Now just tap on save and wait for some seconds, and as you can see right here, your Spotify link has been added to your Facebook profile. And that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.